there's these kind of abstractions on the back of each card, okay? And they're all scattered across these queens.
Right.
Now, isn't it weird how if I go like this, your brain starts almost filling in the gaps? Like it almost looks like there's an eight, like we know it's not real, but like if I move it a little,
right,
like it starts, you could almost be like accidentally forget that there's not a card in between there. But as soon as we see the back, no go. That's where the camouflage card comes in. This is where it gets really trippy, look. So now we know there's not a card there, but doesn't that look pretty weird?
Yes.
Like, and if you keep it moving, could you almost like convince yourself that it was there?
Yeah.
Obviously not. We know the ace is not there, but this is what it might look like if it was.
Oh my God, how? Calen.
Now, this is where it's really strange. Our brain constructs reality all the time, yeah? So what's cool about this is once it constructs the reality, we're not really sure what was the story and what was reality afterwards.
Sure.
So I'm gonna give you this as kind of a little reminder to be careful of what you create, okay? So I'm gonna sign this real quick. I'm gonna write something from nothing. Just as like a quick reminder that like, you have to be careful about what you create because it's all perception.
I love it.
Yeah?
Thank you.